In the previous video, we talked about sales tax. In this lesson, we're going to talk about other forms of taxation. So there's more than one type of tax. You can divide all taxes into two main types: direct taxes and indirect taxes. Direct taxes are taxes that are added onto the price, whereas indirect taxes are taxes that are included in the price. Examples of direct taxes are HST, or sales tax, that we talked about in the previous lesson, as well as property tax. If you own property, you have to pay tax on top of the cost of your home. Examples of indirect taxes are something called a jewelry tax. So if you have anything made of gold or silver or precious metals, you have to pay a special tax on that. Cigarettes have a tax. It's called the cigarette tax or the tobacco tax. And gasoline has a tax. Anytime you pay for gasoline, when you fill up your fuel tank on your car, you're paying a tax. Now, these taxes here, the jewelry tax, the cigarette tax, and the gasoline tax, they're already included in the price. So you don't get a tax added on to the price. It's already included in the price. Now, I'm not going to work through any examples of these with you, but I have assigned practice questions that I'd like you to work through. And it's the practice questions that will help you understand these direct taxes and indirect taxes. But if you're getting stuck on any of these calculations or anything, just let me know and I'll do my best to help.